In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to resize images on your Wix website. Whether you're looking to adjust the visuals on your site for better aesthetics or functionality, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. First, go to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard, which provides a comprehensive view of all your Wix sites and their current status. From here, the next step is to click on Edit Site. This option allows you to directly access the site's editor where all the magic happens. When you're in the Wix editor, it's time to find the image you want to resize. Click on that image and you'll notice that a blue outline with resize handles appears around it. This is an indication that the image is ready to be adjusted to your liking. To resize the image, simply drag one of the corners to scale the image proportionally, maintaining its original aspect ratio. If you choose to drag one of the sides, the image will stretch or compress, but be cautious with this option, especially for photos, as it may distort the image. For those who prefer a more precise approach, the settings panel is your friend. Look for the gear icon to open this panel where you can manually input exact dimensions by entering the desired width and height of the image. Don't forget to lock the aspect ratio if you want to keep the proportions consistent. Should you wish to focus on a particular part of the image, you have the option to crop it. Clicking on crop allows you to adjust the cropping box, and once you're happy with the selection, click apply. This feature helps to highlight specific details or remove unwanted parts. Additionally, you can make other adjustments in this section. Rotate, flip, or even add filters and effects to give your image the perfect finish. After making these changes, it's crucial to see how your adjustments look in a real-world context. Click on preview to see how the resized image appears on both desktop and mobile views. This step is important because it ensures that your site looks great on any device, and you can make further tweaks if necessary. Once satisfied with how everything looks, hit publish to save your changes and make them live on your website. Finally, click on done to exit the edit mode. By following these steps, you can customize your site's visuals with ease, making your website not only visually appealing but tailored to meet your specific needs. So go ahead, log into your Wix account and start creating beautifully adjusted images for your website today.